Imagine cruising down a quiet countryside road, the sun dipping low on the horizon, birds chirping, and all your essentials packed inside. Not a van, not a trailer, but a Retro Camper Tricycle RV. Yes, you heard that right. It's part bike, part camper, and fully magical. This isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle, a throwback, and a revolution on 3 wheels. You might think, can a tricycle really replace a camper van? And the answer is, well, you're about to find out. Because this compact wonder doesn't just turn heads, it turns your whole idea of adventure upside down. It's got that vintage charm you'd expect from a 70s road trip movie, paired with a surprisingly clever design that makes it more than just a nostalgic ride. Step closer, and you'll see why this tiny titan is capturing the imagination of travelers, minimalists, and dreamers everywhere. First, let's talk about size. At a glance, it seems like it couldn't possibly fit anything more than a picnic basket. But open it up, and you're met with a space so cleverly designed, it feels like a magician's suitcase. A cozy sleeping pod? Check. Fold-out table for dining under the stars? Check. Mini kitchen for those late-night grilled sandwiches or morning coffee? Oh yes, it's all in there. And the best part? No gas required. Many of these retro trike campers are pedal-powered or electric-assisted, making them not only charming but eco-friendly. Imagine gliding past cars stuck in traffic, wind in your hair, your home right behind you. You're not just traveling, you're floating through time, space, and nostalgia. But it's not just about what's inside. The outside design? A total showstopper. Hand-painted wooden panels, vintage decals, rounded retro windows, every detail screams personality. Some owners have even added solar panels on the roof, fairy lights along the edges, and tiny flags fluttering with every mile. It's not just a camper, it's a moving piece of art. Now imagine pulling up at a lakeside spot, parking under a tree, and within minutes, unfolding a comfy chair, sipping tea, and watching the water ripple. No campground fees. No massive setup. No stress. Just you, your camper trike, and the wild world outside your door. And don't even get me started on the attention you'll get. Wherever you go, people will stop and ask questions. What is that? Did you build it yourself? Can I see inside? It becomes more than a vehicle, it becomes a story starter, a community magnet, a conversation piece that brings smiles and inspiration wherever it goes. Sure, it's not built for high-speed highway runs or towing a boat. But it wasn't made for that. It was built for freedom, for slow travel, for the beauty of going just fast enough to see every tree, every cloud, every smile on a passerby's face. It was made for those who believe that smaller can be better, that travel can be slow, mindful, and joyful. Whether you're exploring your own neighborhood, taking a weekend escape to the forest, or setting off on a cross-country journey one pedal at a time, the Retro Camper Tricycle RV reminds you that life is about the journey, not the destination. And what a ride it is. So if you've ever felt like ditching the ordinary, shrinking your footprint, and growing your experiences, maybe this tiny trike is calling your name. Because sometimes, the best way to move forward is on 3 wheels, with a heart full of adventure and a camper behind you that's just quirky enough to feel like home.